Hey guys, just wanted to show you the final package, if you will. Took a while to figure out all the foam and stuff, but I had some time to do this while I'm letting some of those other parts cure a little bit more. So here we go. You got your nice textured box with the box art, which I really enjoy. Hope you guys do too. Open her up. And here's our set. We've got our full set COA as well as the outfit COA. Of course, Myers, figure, boots applied. Oops, sorry. Now, you know, he's water treated, but you may want to do a little bit more. You know, he's going to get, I don't want to say wrinkled, but you know how things work when he's sitting in a box for a little while. So you may still need to do a little bit on your own. Then we've got our head sculpt in a box. Actually, this one might be a little easier to take out like this. You will have to take the pieces of foam out anyway because you have to get to the diorama base. So this is secured in here. Of course, I'm not going to take it out and put it on the figure and mess the hair up in packing. So then we've got our accessory side. Tombstone, of course. We have each of our two pumpkins. They're going to have a little plastic cover so that the top of the box doesn't rub on them. There will also be a little bit of securing bubble wrap and a couple of pieces of foam to sort of press everything down. But it was actually hard to do the video because they just kept falling out the moment I opened the box. So, and then don't forget these lids come off. I don't have the batteries in yet, but and a little proprietary switch. This is the off position. Pull that plastic out. That's the on position. Off position. Okay. We've got our knife. Metal and wood. Very reflective. Very cool. This one's actually a defect knife. You may be able to see there. There's a pretty big defect in there. That was just me during production. I have a few of those that don't make the final cut. Here's our grasping hand with the sewing needle. Okay. And then our two hangers. We've got the hanger she pokes him in the eye with. And then we just have a plain hanger just for, you know, giggles. Both made of metal. They are paint coated and then clear coated, so you know you can scratch the paint off, but regular handling shouldn't do that. Remove this foam. And then remove this foam. There's a small little protector for the diorama here from the head sculpt box. So remove all of that, and you get to the rest of the set. We've got all the different hands, and then all the diorama pieces. It has to be in here a very specific way. I would suggest taking it out this way. Pull on this guy, and that's going to be your post. Okay. Then pull this out. That's going to be your two rails. And they're just bubble wrapped together. And they're sort of layered together. So you want to undo the tape here. And then the tape here, which I actually can't see my edge. Oh, here we go. Because if you don't do this and you just try to pull the pieces out, so you can see this one's here, but they're bubble wrapped so that they don't rub on each other. And then that piece. Okay. Then take the base out. And if you want, I mean, you can remove the removable landing stair, whatever. But there's your base. Landing stair goes back on there. And then the stairwell portion for when you display him at the top of the stairs. And that's the set. This is just a piece of foam for support, to support the layers of foam above it. So hopefully that shows you a little bit about how it's going to be packed and how to get it out. I'll do a separate little video here shortly once I have the bases more complete, because of the way that you magnetically assemble them is just a little bit different than it was before. So nothing major, but a little bit. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to get these. I'm still hoping I can more or less finish by next week, but we'll see. Like I said, I had a little bit of an issue with the paint cure. Nothing major, but I just want to make sure these are in good shape for you guys. So, thanks.